Have you heard of hair bond repair treatments or products that claim to repair hair bond? Does any of this sound familiar? In case it doesn't, don't worry, I've got you covered. Hi guys, I'm Kiran and today I'm going to share with you a hair bond repair guide that will help you save your hair. But before that, you know the drill. Subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel and tap the bell icon for further notifications. Let's start with the basic. What are hair bonds and why do they break? So hair is largely made up of keratin, and like any other protein, it's composed of amino acids which are joined together by bonds. Think of hair bonds as scaffolding that runs right through the middle of the hair shaft and makes up the strength and elasticity of your hair. These bonds are connected in different ways, some horizontally, some vertically. What are the types of hair bond? There are three main types of bonds: hydrogen bonds, ionic bonds, and disulfide or covalent bonds. All these three bonds behave differently when the hair is exposed to humidity, heat, and stress. The first two break quite easily with moisture and then reform. This could be the reason why your hair shape looks different, say less curly when it's wet than when it's dry. It's also the reason why your hair becomes more fragile when it's wet. The last one, disulfide bond, on the other hand, break permanently under stress from factors such as heat, coloring, and tugging. Thankfully, all those broken bonds that lead to less than healthy hair can be repaired right from your own bathroom by using bond repair products. How do bond repair treatments work? Bond repair treatments or bond building technology is created to mend broken bonds in the hair, leading to healthier hair overall. From masks to conditioners with bond building technology to traditional bonding treatments, there are currently a variety of bond builders in the market to help you get your hair back on the road to recovery. But the big question is, what is it that these products contain that gives them the right to claim that they can build bonds? The answer lies in the ingredients. Let me walk you through them. Some of the common ingredients that help repair bonds are protein. It can be in the form of vegetable, wheat, rice, soy, oat. These proteins or protein treatments, commonly referred to as keratin treatment. These treatments strengthen the outermost layer of the hair cuticle. Improved hair structure, strength, elasticity, porosity, and sealing of split. The other common ingredients found in hair bond products are amino acids and peptides. These are the building blocks of protein. These ingredients penetrate deep within your hair strand to restore, replenish, and strengthen the bonds of your hair. It is a great component to promote length retention and healthy hair. The third ingredient, well, not really an ingredient but more like how the product is formulated, are low pH balanced hair bond products. Because the hair's natural pH can be altered after coloring and chemical processing. Using low pH balance hair bond products will help seal the hair cuticle and balance the hair's natural pH, leaving dry and damaged hair shiny, glossy, and healthy looking. And lastly, silicone. These help retain moisture in your hair shaft and keep your tresses hydrated and soft. They are especially good for people with highly porous hair who struggle to maintain hydrated tresses for long, as the silicone can coat the shaft and avoid moisture leakage. Who can use bond repair hair products? The answer is anyone and everyone can use bond repair products, no matter the hair length, texture, and color. Even if you don't have extensive damage, your hair can benefit from intense conditioning and enriching ingredients that you get with bond strengthening hair care. But if you have lightened locks damaged from styling or have undergone chemical hair treatments in the past, bond strengthening hair products will be especially beneficial for you in order to reverse this damage, as these products reinforce weak hair bonds and broken bonds. The quickest and the easiest way to get a good bond repair recommendation for your specific hair situation is simply to ask your go-to hair colorist. Generally speaking, bond builders can be used either in the salon or at home in the comfort of your own bathroom. In salon treatments usually accompany a chemical treatment of some type. But at home, how often you use them is dependent on factors like your hair type and what kind of chemical treatments your hair has at the given time, which can be an indicator of lingering hair damage. Depending on the severity of hair damage, you can use them daily in a shampoo or weekly in a conditioning treatment. You can use your bond building shampoo the same way you would use your regular shampoo, while some masks might take a bit longer to use in your hair. As a rule, while using, let hair bond products process in the hair for at least 10 minutes for maximum results after applying your chosen treatment from roots to ends on damp hair. Alright guys, I hope this video acts as a hair bond repair guide. Time for me to go, but before that, make sure to like and share this video and subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel, and of course ring the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.